In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your schedule from Calendly. Calendly is a fantastic tool for organizing your meetings and appointments, but sometimes you might find it helpful to have a hard copy in your hands. Whether you're preparing for a busy week or just like the feel of paper, being able to print your schedule can make things really convenient. So let's dive right into this step-by-step guide. First, let's start from the Calendly homepage. If you're not already there, open a new tab and navigate to the official Calendly website. Make sure you're logged in so we can access your meeting information. Once you're logged into your account, you should find yourself on the home page, which is your central hub for scheduling and managing meetings. To begin the process, you're going to want to click on the Meetings section. This can usually be found on your dashboard. Once you've clicked on Meetings, you'll see a list of all your scheduled events. This is where you keep track of everything you have set up in Calendly. Next, take a look through your scheduled meetings and click on the details of the specific meeting you wish to print. Selecting a meeting will open more options for that particular event. On this details page, you'll find all the essential information related to your selected meeting, such as the time, date, and participants involved. Now, with the meeting details open, you'll find an option labeled Export. Clicking on Export will prompt the download of your meeting file. This file typically contains all the relevant information you need, neatly formatted for printing. After you've clicked Export, the file should automatically begin to download onto your computer. Depending on the file type and your browser settings, this could either save directly to your designated download folder, or you might be prompted to choose a specific location for saving. Be sure to take note of where the file is being saved, so you can easily locate it later. Once the download is complete, open the file from your downloads. Opening the file should present you with the meeting information in a printable format. If the file opens in a program like a PDF reader, you should see an option to print directly from there. Now simply go ahead and click the Print button. Customize any printing options as needed, such as color preferences or page numbers, and send it to your printer. Voila! Your meeting schedule is now printed out and ready for you to review or take with you. And that's it. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your Calendly meetings and have a physical schedule at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your organizational needs.